What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best EDC gear you can grab on Amazon in 2025. For those who don't know, EDC stands for Everyday Carry, the small but mighty items you keep on you that make life a little easier. We're not talking about going full Rambo here. This is about practical tools and gadgets that help you tackle everyday tasks, stay organized, and be prepared, without weighing down your pockets. From multi-tools and flashlights to wallets, chargers, and even a first aid kit, I've rounded up 15 must-have EDC items that combine functionality, durability, and value. I'll keep all the links updated in the description below so you can check the latest prices. Let's get into it. First up, the Leatherman Signal Camping Multitool. Leatherman's been fine-tuning multi-tools for decades, and the Signal is built for outdoor enthusiasts. You're getting 19 tools in one, including a fire starter, a safety whistle, and even a mini saw. Most of the tools can be opened with one hand, and they all lock into place for safety. There's also a removable pocket clip and quick access to the essentials without unfolding the whole thing. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just working in the garage, this thing's a lifesaver. If you want to step it up, check out the Leatherman Arc. This is their premium multi-tool, featuring a Magna-Cut main blade and a durable 420HC steel frame. You're getting 20 different tools, all accessible with one hand thanks to their free technology. It weighs just over half a pound, folds down to 4 inches, and feels surprisingly nimble for how much it packs in. Plus, it's backed by Leatherman's lifetime guarantee, so it's a buy once, cry once kind of tool. Sure, your phone has a flashlight, but let's be real, it's weak. That's where the Olight ArcFeld Pro comes in. This compact flashlight cranks out an impressive 1,300 lumens with up to 55 hours of runtime. What's cool is the triple function: white light, UV light, and even a green laser. Perfect for late-night walks, gear checks, or even presentations if you need a pointer. It's a flashlight that goes beyond just lighting your path. For those who like to keep their everyday carry light and simple, the Olight Pocket EDC flashlight is a game changer. This little guy runs on a single AAA battery, yet it still cranks out up to 200 lumens. That's more than enough to light up a dark room, find your way on a late-night walk, or handle small emergencies. It's compact, affordable, and tough enough to take a beating. Honestly, it's one of those everyday tools you don't realize you've been missing until you carry it. Whether you're tossing it in a toolbox, glove compartment, or just your pocket, the Olight Pocket EDC is a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Everyday carry isn't just about knives, flashlights, and multi-tools. Sometimes the most valuable thing you can have on you is extra power. That's where the INU portable charger comes in. Compact enough to slip into your pocket or bag, this little powerhouse makes sure your phone, earbuds, or tablet never leave you stranded with a dead battery. For travelers, commuters, students, or really anyone who uses their phone heavily, this is the kind of EDC item that quickly goes from nice to have to can't live without. If you've ever had your phone die at the worst possible moment, you'll know exactly why this belongs in your everyday carry kit. Next up, we've got the Leatherman Free K2, a knife that's way more than just a knife. This thing packs 8 different tools into a sleek, lightweight aluminum body, making it a real powerhouse for anyone who likes to be prepared. The main blade is razor sharp and holds its edge really well, and the best part is that you can open every single tool one-handed. Each one locks into place securely, so you never have to worry about safety while you're working. If you're the kind of person who likes the functionality of a multi-tool but doesn't want to carry a full-sized Leatherman on your belt, the Free K2 is the perfect middle ground. It's practical, durable, and feels built to last. Let's talk wallets, and this one's honestly one of my favorites. The Extra Parliament isn't just slim and stylish, it's also packed with smart design that makes it stand out from the sea of minimalist wallets out there. First off, it's RFID blocking, which means your credit cards are protected from digital pickpockets and skimmers. In today's world, that peace of mind is worth a lot. If you're tired of bulky, overstuffed wallets, or just want something that feels futuristic every time you use it, The Extra Parliament is a game changer. Sleek, secure, and practical. It's one of those EDC upgrades you'll wonder how you lived without. Another great EDC blade to consider is the CIVIVI Mini Praxis, and this one has quickly become a favorite among knife enthusiasts who want performance without spending a fortune. The blade is made from D2 tool steel, which is known for excellent edge retention and solid corrosion resistance, so you won't be constantly sharpening it. It's a steel that punches way above its price point. If you're looking for a knife that blends quality, affordability, and EDC practicality, the CIVIVI Mini Praxis deserves a spot in your rotation. Compact, reliable, and surprisingly refined. It's one of those blades you'll reach for every single day. If you're looking for a rugged, minimalist wallet that can stand up to anything, the Ridge wallet is an absolute classic in the EDC world. This isn't your grandfather's bulky leather bifold. This is a wallet designed for the modern carry. It's also RFID blocking, which means your cards are safe from digital theft and skimming. That's something a lot of traditional wallets just don't offer, and it gives you a layer of peace of mind, especially if you travel frequently or spend time in crowded areas. If you've ever wanted to slim down your carry while upgrading to something practically indestructible, the Ridge wallet is hard to beat. One of the most overlooked parts of an EDC setup isn't a tool or a gadget, it's basic first aid. The Coleman All-Purpose Mini Kit is a compact 27-piece kit packed into a crush-proof metal tin that's about the size of a deck of cards. Inside, you'll find the essentials: different-sized bandages, antiseptic wipes, antibiotic ointment, sting relief pads, safety pins, and even a razor blade. If you're building out your EDC kit and want to cover the bases beyond just tools, this is a no-brainer. Small, practical, affordable, and potentially a lifesaver. The Coleman Mini First Aid Kit is one of those things you'll always be glad you had with you when the unexpected happens. When it comes to multi-tools, the Gerber Gear Suspension-NXT is easily one of the best values out there. This thing packs 15 different tools into a slim, pocket-friendly frame that clips right onto your pocket, belt, or bag. You've got spring-loaded pliers, multiple screwdrivers, a wire stripper, can and bottle openers, scissors, a file, a ruler, an awl, and of course, a sharp blade. If you want a multi-tool that balances function, portability, and price, the Gerber Suspension-NXT is one of the smartest picks out there. No EDC setup feels complete without a reliable flashlight, and the Streamlight ProTac 1L1AA is one of my absolute favorites. This tactical-grade light pushes out 350 lumens, which is more than enough to light up an alleyway, a trail, or even a large room during a power outage. If you want a dependable, tactical-level flashlight that balances power, size, and versatility, the Streamlight ProTac 1L1AA is one of the smartest EDC lights you can buy. When it comes to everyday carry, you need a backpack that can handle just about anything, and the North Face Recon is easily one of the best all-around options out there. With a 30-liter capacity, it hits that perfect middle ground, big enough to carry all your daily essentials, but not so huge that it feels like a hiking pack. Whether you're a student, a commuter, or someone who just wants a solid everyday backpack that can adapt to different situations, the North Face Recon is one of those bags that will last you for years and still look sharp doing it. For those who like to travel light but still stay prepared, the Vertex Everyday Fanny Pack is an excellent choice. Don't let its compact 2-liter capacity fool you. It's designed to carry all the essentials in a small, organized package. What I love about this pack is how it blends functionality with style. It's lightweight, comfortable, and perfect for anyone who doesn't want to carry a bulky backpack but still needs organization and quick access to their EDC items. From city commuting to outdoor adventures, the Vertex Everyday Fanny Pack is a reliable, versatile, and practical addition to your everyday carry setup. Last but definitely not least, the DAKA Utility Organizer is a game changer for keeping your everyday carry neat, accessible, and protected. This isn't just any pouch, it's semi-rigid and weather-resistant, built to withstand drops, bumps, and even light rain, thanks to its AquaGuard zipper. So whether you're heading into the office, packing for a weekend trip, or hitting the trail, your gear stays safe and organized. If you want a single, versatile solution for EDC organization, The DAKA utility organizer checks every box. Tough, compact, well-designed, and ready for any adventure. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed your gear without it. And that's my list of the best EDC gear on Amazon in 2025. Whether you're looking for a multi-tool, flashlight, wallet, or even a first aid kit, these essentials can really upgrade your daily carry. I'll have all the links updated in the description, so check them out for the latest prices and deals. Question of the day: what's the #1 item in your everyday carry kit? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see your setups. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gear roundups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.